Hello friends, welcome to the Art Craft and Laugh. Today I will teach you how to make the pancake at the home, easy and faster in restaurant style. Pancake is normally served with the pancake syrup or the honey in a breakfast, English breakfast. Easily you can find pancake mix in a grocery store nearby you or the supermarkets. Once you bring it home, you need to get the long life full fat milk or the fresh full fat milk 1 liter, one packet. You have to mix it and make this much thick, not too thick, not too like watery, just an average one. Then you have to wash the pan. Hit Once you hit the pan, once you hit the pan, you have to add like half average bowl the dough. I will show you. This much quantity you can take it. Once you took that quantity, you can simply add. Now you have to wait 1 minute until it's take max to max it's take 1 minute because your pan already hit. Make sure your flame is bit low, not too high. So I will reduce my flame so it will not burn. This much flame you can keep it instead of keeping full. Once you see like the steam is coming like this, then you can just from the side you can twist it like this. The flame was hit so high, so it's get ready very faster. Flip it over, and then again 30 seconds you have to wait. It will get ready in 30 seconds. So it's usually one side the like browny color and one side like this the white color you can see. I will check it's done or no already. So now our pancake is ready to serve. So this was easy and simple recipe with you. Hope guys you like it, this video and this recipe. If you like, do subscribe the channel and comment and share with those who would like to learn how to make the pancake at home. So we will meet you in the next video with some new update interesting. Stay tuned and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.